Hello, buddy. If you are someone who is like me, who frequently create a lot of affiliate links, like link here, there, connect, connect. If you're like no, that kind of person, then I would say this video is absolutely for you. In this particular video, I will show you how you can do, how how I developed a kind of productivity system around developing affiliate links, where I just have to copy the URL and paste it into this Google Sheet, and it will be generated automatically. So let me see. So currently I'm generating links from AppSumo. Let's suppose I want to promote any product. Let's suppose, let me go this rank tracker product, right? What I will do, I will copy the link, I will paste it over here. Now automatically it will fetch the meta title and meta description from AppSumo. The formula, as you can see, formulas over there. Then I just have to press one over here and click on enter. Now within 10 to 15 seconds, I will be having my affiliate link ready to promote that service. Now here you go, rank tracker link is ready. Now I click on it. Here you go. As you can see, click ID is equal to blah blah blah. Affiliate medium EA, IR UTM source is equal to IR, means impact radius. Now I have the affiliate link for this. Now how you can develop this same system? So in this video, I'm going to show you same. So let's start. So first of all, let's start from beginning. First you need a link. So you would be having a affiliate, a website where you want to promote product. Can be any, like this products I opened Jarvis. You want to promote Jarvis. I have not done much over here. I'm not much serious about it. Or you can say any single website. Now first of all, you need to understand their affiliate link structure. For impact user, I'm having a pro tip, but yeah, you have to understand their affiliate link structure. If you look at this, what is their affiliate link structure? This is the URL and this is their affiliate link structure. So this is the thing that will be static, and these are the things that you want to change over time. Maybe the pricing place, whatever you want, right? So this is the thing that you want to be at a static. You want you want it to be static, right? So you need to understand the structure and look for what are some common things that you can pick it up and do customization on your own. For example, for this AppSumo link, let me just open my Quickie account, Switchy account, not Quickie. I just opened this rank tracker and one link, I clicked on it. If you will notice the pattern, uh, I can't copy it directly, I think. Okay, here you go. In the tab, you can see this thing is static. This, like appsumo.u8.net/ss white. This is my affiliate ID, of course. Then question mark u is equal to, this is the parameter, and this is something that works on impact. If you are promoting any product on impact, you just need to put the create a home page URL of that particular website, right? Attach your sub ID, whatever. When you have the URL, just add this question mark u is equal to then the URL. So pro tip for impact users, then you can create affiliate links accordingly, right? Now how it all works, first of all, I will put in the link. Now this is the kind of, what do we call it, formula or whatever. Now this will fetch the title from the website. I don't want to do this. Be static, bro. Okay. Now this will automatically fetch the title of the website, meta title and meta description. Now what I am doing is, when I click on one, I am giving the indication to this particular, to the there is extension Pably Connect which is sending data to Pably. So I'm giving an indication to the Pably extension. Like I can type out anything over here, it will send the data that everything is ready. Just send it to the automation, right? So now I clicked one, or you can add anything, like even I add Q2. I do not set up any parameters for it. Then I'm using extension which is from Pably Connect. So I'm using that for running this automation. So what I'm doing is, I'm having this initial setup. In I set up everything API, whatever the webhooks. Then I'm sending this on event. Like now for this case, the event is when the column got filled. So E column can be got filled with anything. Now let me just drop you to the Pavli what happened next. Okay, I just hided this thing up. So this is where I'm receiving the trigger. Now, what I am doing next? Now, I am using this particular thing called text formatter by Fably. Now, what this do? Like, I'm using this to decide a URL parameter. Now, let's suppose I will take Jarvis as an example for this. Jarvis.ai. Now, let's suppose what do you want to be add up over here. Now, appsumo.com/products slash, and I want to add text over here that is right after this slug and right before this slash. Now, for example, if I open this particular link, crawl q on appsumo.com/product, this is before and this is my after. So I want this thing to be picked up. So, so that I can use this inside the URL structure of my affiliate link. As you might notice, like I pasted rank tracker over here, it got the rank tracker right over here. I pasted $1 million template, it got this over here. So this is just to create my URL friendly, even if I don't put it, but it will create a ugly slugger, a 1 2 3 blah 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 blah. Anything can be there, right? So I just want it to be a little bit more clean, so I'm picking their link from here. After I picked up the link, I go and I want to go ahead and create the affiliate link. Now there are many options, but I will recommend you to use this one, create advanced link without image. If you have a code to get the featured image of the, what do you call it? Featured image of the page, then you can use this one as well. But I am doing this without image because I want Switchy to be automatically pick it up. That's why, because I want to make my workflow a little bit more clean, right? Now, what doing over here? Now I'm giving instruction like use this switch. Now Switchy is the my affiliate, the platform that I'm using for managing this particular domain, sharaz.link slash any kind of affiliate links. You can sign up there. So what I'm telling Switchy is, okay, create a custom domain, now custom link, use the domain sharaz.link, and the link where I want to redirect people is this. So now now if you want to create this for Jarvis, what you can do, jarvis.ai slash free trial, then question mark FPR is equal to Sharaz. So you can do something like that. Now, then I want unique ID. What I want to win as a unique ID? I want a marketplace like niches, right? Now I want a meta title. So this is required so you don't auto fetch it. That's why I'm having those rules inside Google Sheet to fetch it. So I'm sending this fetch. Then in which folder you want to save it? I want to save it inside Substack to keep it more organized in that manner. Then there are many, like you want to create geo rotator value or something that you want to do. I thought about it. I got a thought, random thought, right? Like I saw many people promote their podcast. They create a link where they are sending people iOS user to Apple Podcast and Android user to any kind of platform, right? So for that use case, what I can do over here is I can create a, not a geolocation, but something like device location. Like Switchy has this option. I think that's not available right over here, but maybe I can create something like that which can help over there. No, AB rotator, I can't do this based on geo. Yeah, I think I can't do, but yeah. Then I want to add a tag inside AppSumo, so they are easy to fetch over here. Click on tag, just click on AppSumo to get the links. So this is what I can do. Then pixel ID, I want this. This is not working. I don't know why, but yeah, I want this pixel to be inserted. I will fix it out. Then I'm sending this response. Now what will happen is this will automatically create a URL. Now this whole thing will automatically create a URL inside Switchy. Now I want that URL to be inside my Google Sheet, right? Then I'm using this Google Sheet to update a row. Like this is the spreadsheet that you can see. Then where you want to update it, like this personal sheet. Okay. Then row index. So row index is dynamic because I don't want it to be, replacing just this 2 number field over and over and over again. Instead of that, I want it to be dynamic, go clean, create a bit clean structure. And I don't want this to be updated. Now in this particular row, I want this link tab to be updated. Sharaz.link is static. I just want this marketplace ID. Then one for confirmation, nothing like that. And save and send request. So this is how my workflow looks like. I hope you liked it. Now I will go ahead and create another workflow for you. This is a kind of explanation. Now we'll go ahead and create yet another workflow. Okay, how can I create new workflow? Okay, I have to go in dashboard. Create workflow, Javis dot AI link. So I am creating this for Javis.ai. You can create this for anything. So this will be test purpose. I will be deleting this after it. And let me make a quick copy of it. Uh, I want this to be around Javis. Shiraz.link Javis. Okay. Now I want it to fetch. So let me delete it up. This was a static one. Okay. Control C, Control V. Now I don't want this links to be over here. This was again static, Control C, Control V. And I want link tag to be little bit over here. I don't want E tab to be here. Let me delete it up. Here we go. Now we are almost ready. Now I want to create a link. Let's suppose I think I can link their blog post as well. So let me go ahead, go to their blog. Okay. I will click on copy link address. uh, I will paste it over here. So this is the product URL, right? And this, yeah, everything is fine. I will click on one. But now I have set up this basic automation of not automation, but the basic structure is set up over here. Now I got the meta description. I got the link. Everything is in place. Now let me just create the link. So now we have to send data to Pabbly Connect. Now I will choose the trigger over here. I want Google Sheet to be in. Then let me go to extensions, add-ons, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. I want to a new spreadsheet row. When is new spreadsheet added? I want to copy it. It's done. I want to paste it. Now to which column I want to do it? So my one is in D column. So I will add D over here. Click on send test request and submit it. Now I will receive the send request over here. Okay, so I'm having everything over here. Now what I will do, I will go ahead and create something. Let's now what I want to do. I want to get the text. I want to format the text for the URL sake. Now extract the patterner. Which one I used that? I think I used the extract patterner in the last workflow. Let me quickly open it up. Afflick generation, Shiraz.link afflick generation. So what I use? Yeah, text phraser. I use text phraser. All right. Connect. Now what I want to be over here. I want to extract this thing up, right? What kind of text you want to add? I want to add this, like I want to extract from this, anything that is after this. And the, for the blog, the URL structure is bit changing. Let me see if I can create dynamic. I can't create something dynamic over here. Oh, sorry about that. I have not saved it up. So yeah, uh, I want to create something dynamic over here, because I don't think so switchy will create that multiple slashes, subdirectory. So what I can do, uh, for new line enter, let's try this. I don't think so they will go ahead and accept this response in switchy because this is subdirectory. But yeah, depends on your before this. Let me see what they fetch. Okay, they fetched blog. I don't want blog to be over here. Okay, I'm having this. Now I have to apply another parameter over here to remove this, since you don't accept this. I think I need to use formatter, text formatter. Replace text. Yeah, I want to replace the text over here. Now I want to add this response over here. Then enter the value to be searched for if you want to replace. Okay, I want this. I want what I can replace. Okay, what I can do, I want the slash to be replaced by this, by hyphen. Save and send text request. Here you go. We got a URL. Now let me go ahead and create something. Now let me add another workflow. Now I want to send this to switchy. So I will add switchy right over here. Let me quickly create a folder over here. Test. Where it is. There you go. Right. Where did it go? Oh, here you go. And I want to create a link without an image. I will click on connect. I will choose my switchy account over here. Click on save. Right now I want a domain. My now this domain is shareall.link. I want this to be static. Then what URL you want to add? Pretty interesting, right? Now, no. I want this link to be over here, right? Product URL, and there are, let me check their affiliate link structure for pro plan. Do they have a slash? Or okay, I can go ahead like this. Now I want this to be over there, or I can attach a sub ID as well if I want, but I will not attach sub ID as of now. I think I have sub IDs as well. Okay, yeah, I have sub ID one as well. So this is SaaS blog, but yeah, let me add the sub ID. All right. Now I want this sub ID to be added right after here. Now, what kind of link I want to generate? Yeah. So let me be little, let me thought about that. So I'm creating a lot of, maybe in future I will create a guide to share it. Let me add this like Jarvis AI, right? This and Jarvis AI this. Then I want something like this, right? Or only Jarvis, right? Jarvis blog SEO copywriting guide. Wow, cool enough, right? Now I want title. I already created inside Google Sheets, so I'm just adding the title over here, adding the description over here. Folder. I want this one to be test. And do you want to create a tag? Yeah, sure. Why not to create a Jarvis tag over here? Pixel, no. Still, I have not figured it out how it works. I added pixel ID, but it did not work. Uh, Here you go. We have created the link, I guess. Uh, where it is. Okay, it will be inside switchy. Here you go. I want to add this inside Google Sheet, and let me give a quick refresh. Now I want this go back and add it inside Google Sheet. Update. I want update tag to be over here. Here you go. Affiliate link is generated. Let me click on it. Here you go. Now let me add, now I will give you a test as well. I want to update a row. So this is the email ID, spreadsheet, yeah, personal row index. I want row index to be dynamic. Now where you want to add this? I want to add this inside link, https to slash slash Shara.link still is a dynamic figure dot link. Now where it is, here you go. This is the URL, right? So yeah, sounds cool. Save and send test request. Here you go. The URL is over here. Let me just click it and check it once it's working. Have I added everything good? No. What happened? Okay, I added that Jarvis tag right over there. I added this Jarvis tag over here. Now it should update. Here you go. Let me test this one. Okay, it's working right now. So we completed the automation. Let me just save it up. And everything is done. I think it will consume 2 tasks inside Pabbly Connect for doing this. A bit hardworking for you if you go it do manually. They are 1, 2, 3, and 4 or 5. Okay, total 5 steps. Now let me test it out. Where I want to create the link. Uh, let's say, okay, let's go over here, right? The pricing page, right? I just opened it up. Let me close these tabs. Now I want this to be created. Now I have to go to Google Sheet and do one more setting, that is send on event. Whenever I add a response, manually add a response, it should send a event directly back to it. Okay, it's done, I guess. Let me check it once. Here you go. I will add this over here. Now let's wait for meta title and pricing. It's done. I will click on one and click on enter. Now our link should be over here. Let's wait. Here you go. Java's pricing link is ready. Let me click on it. Here you go. As you can see, there is no difference, just a sub ID because I added sub ID inside Pabbly, but you can create affiliate links on automation. It isn't a cool, right? Go ahead, use this particular workflow, comment below if you liked it. I spent a lot of time while doing this. I can't say, like, I spent a full day to build the system up, and it's full of value. Like, I really love the system. If you do love, comment below, share this video with your affiliate marketer friend, and goodbye. Hope you loved it. Now let me see it. Are the links over here? And here we go. Thank you so much for watching till then. See you. Tata. Goodbye. Use it and save up some time,